Okay, let's start now with our module 3, which is problems, additional problems. Okay, so this is our sample problem number 1. The particle travels along a straight track such that its position is described by the position versus time graph. Construct the velocity versus time graph for the same interval. Okay, so naman tayo gihatag no nga kani position versus time. So time is in seconds, then position is in meters. So na time diri interval 6, 8, and then 10. Okay. So this is 10 seconds. Then this is 6. And this is 8. So yung niya diri at 6 seconds, position is at 108 meters. So let's say this is 108 meters. Until at 10 seconds is same ra gyapon, 108 meters. So if you notice the graph, yan yung graph. And then this one. Ato ang S1 is 0.5 t cube or 1/2 t cube. So unsa man ni siya, second degree curve or third degree curve? So since third degree naman iyang equation, it means this is a third degree curve. And then ato ang equation on this side is just S is equal to 108 meters. So we were asked construct the velocity versus time graph for the same interval. So sa atong buhaton ani. So to solve this one, dili man ni siya pareha atong example nato before no, from acceleration to velocity, we just take the area of this, butang din ito, then area ani, so plus kuan dayon sa area pikas. So di na siya ingani kay from acceleration to velocity to position man to. Now we are starting from position sa atong buhaton. So we were given equation. Ingon siya nga S is equal to 1/2 t cube. So 1/2 t cube mo na siyang 0.5 t cube. So to get the velocity, so di ba velocity is just equal to derivative of the position with respect to time. So kung ato ning differentiate ang 1/2 t cube by power rule, we get a velocity is equal to 3/2 t squared. Yes, we have a 3/2 t squared. So muna ni ito equation. So construct at kuan ang the graph at the same time interval. So natay 6 seconds and then napud tay time at 10 seconds. So at 6 seconds, itong velocity ani is pila? That is 3/2 times 6 squared equals 3/2 times 36. That is equal to 3 times 36 divided by 2 equal to 54 meters per seconds. So at time is equal to 10. Ang sa atong gamiton nga equation. So we should not use this equation. Okay, this is from this curve to this curve man. So this is from time interval from 0 seconds to 6 seconds. Ang sa atong gamiton para ma-solve si time at velocity at time is equal to 10 seconds. So we need to integrate this function. So, di ba velocity is equal to ds over dt. So, we differentiate. So, with the derivative of 108 with respect to time. So, the differentiation of constants, that is equal to 0. So, the velocity at 10 seconds is equal to 0. So, we graph now the velocity versus time. So like this. At 10 seconds. At 6 seconds. So ingon niya diri nga at time is equal to 6 seconds, velocity is 54 meters per seconds. So this is a third degree curve. Paatras, that is a second degree curve. So inyo makita ang velocity equation is squared sa ito pa. This is a second degree curve. So paano nagyapon na to ang pag-graph? And then 54. So this is 54 meters per seconds. And then this one, yung velocity daw is 0. So unsay ang graph? Pa-incline? Or what? So diba ito na istoryahan before nga from position to acceleration, magka-dako ang degree sa curve. So kung first degree sa position, second degree na siya sa velocity, and then third degree sa acceleration. So we know diba nga from position to velocity to acceleration, ang degree siyang curve is magkagamay. So if sa position, iyang degree sa curve is 2 degrees, so iyang degree sa velocity sa curve is 1 degree, and then this acceleration is just a line or a 0 degree. If this is third degree sa position, yung velocity then is second degree, so sa acceleration is first degree. So that's why it's here. Let's look like this. So this is third degree curve and then second degree curve. So pag acceleration ani nga side, yan na din curve is from second degree to first degree. So that is already inclined and then line. So how about this one? This is the first degree. This is not a first degree. This is 0. Unsa man ang curve diri na bali negative 1. So wala na. Since atong velocity is 0, then atong graph on this side is just like this. 0. To give emphasis, like this.